Lyft is going to the dark side with timeouts,
This is bad.
deactivations. What is going on with that? Yeah.
This is bad. Okay, this is bad. This brought me back my days of Lyft cancellation rehab school. This. I thought this had ended. Okay, Lyft. Seriously, I know you're watching this. This is bad. Like, I have no other words but bad. Okay, bad to horrible. Okay, the one on the left. Okay, we're independent contractors. Yes. Yes. Okay. You tell me in your app in the terms of service, clearly terms of service. And if you haven't read it, read it and come back to this, because we'll still be here for another hour. Says that you have the right to reject trips, period. Especially if you're feeling unsafe and all these other things, according to your TOS. And then you do this. This is bad. This is unacceptable. Okay, here we go. Your account is suspended. Why? It goes, looks like you are still not driving towards your passenger. As a result, you'll be unable to log into the driver mode for 25 minutes. Now, this makes my blood boil. Okay? This is like telling a second grader in my day, they don't do that anymore because in today's schools, they call it abuse or some shit. My teachers used to tell me, go to the corner, stand on one leg for the duration of the class because I was a clown. This is being a clown. This is bullshit. Yeah. This is unacceptable right here.
I'm sorry, Lyft. We are not kids.
Yeah, this is bad.
This is how you treat kids. You put them in a timeout when they're not listening. Come on.
Bullshit, bro.
Anyway. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
And the one on the right is just blew my mind. So I'm really actually trying to get a hold of this driver. I'm in communication with this driver. I'm trying to help this guy. This one, your account has been deactivated. We reached out several times about poor passenger experiences on your Lyft driver account. Because there has been no changes, your driver account has been permanently deactivated. Now, why do you think this guy got deactivated, Chris?
Because he didn't go to poor passenger experience, better your rating school?
Nope. He canceled too many trips, which is kind of tied to the, to cancellation rehab school. This guy goes, Serge, I didn't do anything bad. I have dash cam footage. I have not pissed off any passengers. I just canceled probably too much. And yes, they have warned me in the past. And now I was trying to drive, and that's his cursor right there. Literally, he couldn't log on. They deactivated him, boom, like that. And he wanted to turn the app on, and this came up. And so now I'm like, bro, what happened? Lyft, we're independent contractors. Come on. This is unacceptable. These two. I mean, I'm talking about this right before Risha comes on, but this is, I mean, if this is not unjust deactivation, I don't know what it is. And we are going to talk about this next week. This is part of the comments. You know, we don't want to get fired by AI bots. In the US, we have a saying. What is that saying? That saying is innocent until proven guilty, not guilty until I can prove myself innocent. So this is bad. So there you go.
I thought it was drive fast, take chances. That's my motto.
That's what the guy on the left did, and it didn't work out for him. He got put in the timeout.
Yeah, right. No, William, thanks for the super chat. And he raised a good point. If I can't get to the rider because of traffic, closed roads, what do they want you to do? Run over cops, run over those areas. So yeah, it's a real problem there when it comes down to it. So it's definitely something that just keep an eye out, I guess, is all we can say right now.
Yeah. I mean, email me if you're getting this kind of shit. Email me. This is bad. We have to put an end to this. So, worst things worse. I mean, I don't want to get fired by an AI bot. I need my day in court. I need my day in front of a human being. This is my problem with this, Chris. This is like proliferating into corporate America. Pretty soon, my 18-year-old, 19-year-old college girl and my son are both going to get fired by some AI bot. And that's what's happening here. They're setting up the precedents for this bullshit. This is bullshit. Anyway, so there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.